Okay, y'all, so this is the car I bought just like a few days ago. Here it is. It's a 1990 Honda Civic DX. It's a hatchback, of course, you can see. 3-door. It's clean, AC works. It's a 5-speed. And today I just bought some rims. Check these guys out. They're nice. Instead of these, I'm gonna do these. Pretty awesome. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys what I did. These rims originally wouldn't fit, so I'm gonna grab the tools and I'll show you what I did now. I'm gonna break this one loose. It's probably gonna be hard. Broke it loose yet? Nope, not too bad. Oh yeah, that's good. Fuck, hard. All right, that's broke loose. Now, jack it up a little higher so it's off the ground. Put this jack stand somewhere good. Or this bitch, this thing falls, it's gonna fall on me. Okay, that's good. Take these the rest of the way out. There's that tire. Now, let's bring the rim over here. I'm going to show you what I did. Make sure this rim is good. This tire looks okay. That's universal. I'll figure out which one's good. Perfect, right there. Now, let me show you this now. These rims originally wouldn't work, so I had to customize something to make it work. Let's get up close. You can see this? There's a lug nut. Goes in there. You go to tighten it down, right? How are you gonna fit a socket or anything around that? It's tight as hell. Barely fit a socket on there. So what I did, see the socket? I grinded the socket down with the grinder. It's a regular 19mm socket. Grinding it down, see, look, you can see it'll fit. Slide in there. Originally it won't fit in there, like this one too, but now it fits. So that's how you make it work. If your lug nuts are too big, just grind the socket down. It works good. I'll finish this up real quick. Let's see. I'm gonna finish putting these on. Get them hand tight first. Okay, they're on hand tight. Tighten these up. There we go. Those are tight. Now we do a little good little snug on them. Use put some body weight into it. Okay, that was good. That was good. Now I'm gonna check the air pressure in these back ones. I already did the front. I'm gonna turn my key on real quick. Okay. .44 PSI max. Alright, finished it all up. There it is.
Time to go for a ride.
Looks nice. I'm gonna take it for a ride now. You like it, babe?
I love it. Awesome.
Looks so awesome. And then I still have some springs in there.
Wrong car,
I put new springs on it. We'll lower it 2 inches too. There's tons of space there now.
Look, she wants to go on the right.
Alright, let's go for a ride. Alright, Callie, you want to go for a ride?
Let's
go on the low rider, come on.
New car, yeah.
Good girl, good girl, good girl. You go in the back? Hi, babies. Huh?
Be careful.
Took her to the park. She likes to run around. She likes to run around, what? Whoosh. Alright, so just put the rims on. They're nice. I drove down the street. It's smooth, feels nice. There was a noise that the car was making before, and that spare tire that was on this side right here, it must have been the noise because there's no more noise anymore. So that's awesome. I got a vinyl Honda sticker. I'm gonna stick right here instead of the actual thing, and nobody can steal it. It's nice. It's all stock, pretty much. There's only a couple things, like the lower control arm and rims. The rest of it's stock. Check out under the hood. It's a 5-speed. Clean. All original stock. Dual port fuel injection. Sweet. Alright guys, that'll be the end of this video for now. Until next time, there's a bunch of stuff I'm going to end up doing to this car. One day, there's going to be a 2.2 turbo in here. One day. You guys will see. One day there's going to be a 2.2 turbo. Alright, I'll check back later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my other videos. I got a bunch of cool stuff.